publish through server sync, access the publishing options by clicking on the URL link here. Or alternatively, you can go to the project settings at the top, select publish. Server sync is here on the right. The idea behind this publishing option is that you'll edit your projects within the builder and then sync them to your server instantly. So with server sync, you download a script here, put it on your server via FTP, and then basically you are done. Any modification that you make within the project is synced instantly to your server. This option is also great to prototype things in real time with your clients.